placement and for making our day fun and exciting. Our parents, thank you for helping us with the homework and inspiring us to do our best. Our school administrators, this would not be possible without your guidance. The boys and present and to my fellow students, we have made so many wonderful memories together from learning, playing, and celebrating our birthday. And healing up our next level, always do our best. I am excited about what